Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 4 in the earliest cities. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Life in the City. Question 1. A Harappan city was a very dash place. The options are slow, boring, busy, small. Your time to choose. And the answer is busy. So, a Harappan city was a very busy place. Question 2. Dash probably planned constructions of special buildings in the city. The options are rulers, important people, common people, leading families. Your time to choose. And the answer is rulers. So, rulers probably planned construction of special buildings in the city. Question 3. It is likely that the rulers sent people to dash lands. The options are nearby, plough, A and B, distant. Your time to choose. And the answer is distant. So, it is likely that the rulers sent people to distant lands. Question 4. Rulers sent people to distant lands to get dash. The options are metal, precious stones, other things that they wanted, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. So, rulers sent people to distant lands to get metal, precious stones, and other things that they wanted. Question 5. Rulers may have kept dash for themselves. The options are everything, most valuable objects, gold, rare objects. Your time to choose. And the answer is most valuable objects. So, rulers may have kept most valuable objects for themselves. Next question 6. The most valuable objects included dash. The options are ornaments of gold and silver, beautiful beads, A and B, tools. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, the most valuable objects included ornaments of gold and silver and beautiful beads. Next question 7. Dash are people who knew how to write and help prepare seals. The options are writers, scribes, munims, authors. Your time to choose. And the answer is scribes. So, scribes are people who knew how to write and help people prepare seals. Question 8. Scribes perhaps wrote on dash that have not survived. The options are other materials, bark of birch tree, palm leaf, stone. Your time to choose. And the answer is other materials. So, scribes perhaps wrote on other materials that have not survived. Next question. Craftspersons were dash. The options are men only, women only, men and women, men, women and children. Your time to choose. And the answer is men and women. So, craftspersons were men and women. Question 10. Craftspersons made dash. The options are stone tools, toys, bricks, all kinds of things. Your time to choose. And the answer is all kinds of things. So, craftspersons made all kinds of things. Next question 11. Craftspersons made all kinds of things in dash. The options are their own homes, special workshops, special buildings, their own homes or special workshops. Your time to choose. And the answer is their own homes or special workshops. So, craftspersons made all kinds of things in their own homes or special workshops. Question 12. People traveling to distant lands and returning bought dash. The options are raw materials, perhaps stories, A and B, tools and toys. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, people traveling to distant lands and returning bought raw materials and perhaps stories. Next question. Many dash have been found in Harappan cities. The options are bone toys, clay toys, stone toys, terracotta toys. Your time to choose. And the answer is terracotta toys. So, many terracotta toys have been found in Harappan cities. Next question. Dash must have played with terracotta toys. The options are men, women, children, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is children. So, children must have played with terracotta toys. Last question. Make a list of the people who lived in the city. The options are rulers, scribes, craftspersons, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. So, rulers, scribes and craftspersons lived in the city. Okay, so in this video we learned every point in the section Life in the City. In the next video we will learn every point in the next section, that is New Crafts in the City. I'll see you there.